Welcome to our Wabi-sabi sanctuary, where simplicity meets serenity. Today, we are excited to introduce you to the perfect addition to your tranquil space, the Wabi-sabi style room decoration ceramic table lamp. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this lamp embodies the essence of wabi-sabi, finding beauty in imperfection and embracing simplicity. Whether adorning your bedside, sofa-side cabinet, or desk, this lamp effortlessly enhances any space with its understated charm. Imagine cozying up with your favorite book, basking in the soft, comforting light of this exquisite lamp. Its warm glow creates the perfect ambience for relaxation and unwinding after a long day. With its versatile design, the Wabi-sabi style room decoration ceramic table lamp seamlessly integrates into any decor style, adding a touch of elegance and tranquility wherever it goes. Designed for convenience, this lamp features a user-friendly switch, allowing you to effortlessly control the ambience of your space with a simple touch. Transform your space into a haven of peace and harmony with the Wabi-sabi style room decoration ceramic table lamp. Embrace the beauty of imperfection and elevate your surroundings with timeless simplicity. Experience the art of wabi-sabi living today. Order yours now.